So I'm just sharing my screen. You can see I don't want any reference links as well. So I'm just keeping true. I want this information. I just going to modify something in the description, a short description, whatever. Caller ID. I'm planning to change caller ID from Abil Tutor to somebody. Okay. Abraham Lincoln. Copy this ID. I'm copying the Abraham Lincoln this ID. Okay. And category. I'm saying network. So earlier we kept urgency 3. Right now I'm keeping impact 1. Okay. Impact 1. Okay. And I'm going to modify short description. Then come to patch method. Okay. So I'm sending the request. Modify data. Okay. Now you can come and see color is modified, category is modified, short description is modified, impact and priority also modified. Okay. We just updated the data. 200 success message. 200 success message. Under these fields we selected and it is displaying as per. Okay. And I'm just copying the Servicenow script. Select snippet, copy, patch. I'm removing these unnecessary fields. This I'm copying with the user ID and password. Okay. I don't want all these unnecessary code here. Removing. Copy. Okay. This should be the patch code. Next, I'm going to delete method. Delete method. If you want to delete a record from third-party system, okay, we have to use delete a record method. For example, we are trying our inbound. Here I'm saying incident. I want to delete this incident itself. Copy this ID, put it here. Simply send the request. The incident will be deleted. Okay. 204, no content, success message. Okay, there is no response because we are deleting the incident. Servicenow script, select snippet, Control C, Control C. Okay, and I'm pasting here. Copying. So I'm pasting here. Authentication details also I'm pasting here. Okay, this is the delete method. So from the REST API Explorer, if you have any queries, let me know. From REST API Explorer, do you have any queries? Tell me. If not, we can go to the REST message. So actually, I have noted down few questionnaires in last class. Okay, I forgot to share with you. We may see these things. Like, you can see. What is the difference between REST and SOAP? What is the difference between REST and SOAP? Okay, in interviews, frequently asking, they want to ask something about integrations. They are asking this question: what is the difference between REST and SOAP? Okay, these are the things you can see. REST is an architectural style. REST stands for representational state transfer. REST can use SOAP web services because it is a concept that can use any protocols like HTTP. So REST uses URI to expose business logic. JAX RS is the Java API for RESTful web services. REST does not define too much standards like SOAP. Okay. REST requires less bandwidth and resource than SOAP. RESTful web services inherit security measures from the underlying transport. REST permits different data formats such as plain text, HTML, XML, JSON, etc. REST more preferred than SOAP. Okay. And SOAP is a protocol. SOAP stands for a simple object access protocol. SOAP can't use REST because it is a protocol. SOAP uses web services interfaces to expose the business logic. JAX WS is the Java API for SOAP web services. SOAP defines standards to be strictly followed. SOAP requires more bandwidth and resource than REST. SOAP defines its own security. SOAP permits XML data format only. SOAP is less preferred than REST. Okay. And you can see next question. If you get an integration project, what details you will ask to the customer or client for doing the outbound integration? If you want to do outbound integration, what details we will ask? API or endpoint, authentication details, whether we have to follow REST or SOAP architecture, what are the request headers we have to follow, what are the tables and what are the columns we have to map within our system, and any conditions while transferring the data. Okay, these things we are going to ask to the customer. Even if it is inbound integration. So if customer clients come to you for doing inbound integration, what are the details you are going to provide? API, authentication details, based upon the architecture, we will provide the API. The headers, you will send column mappings, conditions, all these details you are going to send to the third party system integration. Okay, these are the few questions I have noted down. Next, I'm going to the REST message. You can come and we may note down. Basically, we don't require any definition for REST message. We may try to note on something. Hmm. Wait. I'm closing all the tabs. Users, Step Explorer, Instant. So we have deleted instance, right? This instant, you can see it is showing record not found. I'm removing background script. Even I don't want JSON editor. Can come to REST message. Under system web services, we have outbound, system web, we have outbound. Under outbound, we have REST message. Okay, under system web services, we have outbound. Under outbound, we have REST message. Okay. Hmm. So what is the table name for REST message? We can note down, come and note down. So REST message. Sys underscore REST underscore message. We can see the table name. Sys underscore REST. Yeah, sys underscore REST underscore message. This is the table name. Copy. You can open any sample service now. Yeah, you can open any one sample. REST message. Okay. So you can say the REST message should be like this. Endpoint, HTTP request, authentications, HTTP methods. And what is the table name for HTTP methods? This underscore REST underscore message underscore F1 function. Okay, I'm just copying it. Control C. HTTP methods. HTTP methods table name is this is the HTTP methods table name. Okay. And here we have authentications, right? So generally we'll use basic authentication. We can note down the table name about the basic authentication. Sys underscore auth underscore profile underscore basic. This is the basic authentication table name. Okay. Basic authentication. Table name. AUTHCMT basic authentication. Okay. Now, so I have noted down Ramchandra's instance, right? Now I want that instance URL. Where I have noted down. Yeah, I think this is the Ramchandra's instance. Copying it, Control C. Now I'm going to create one new REST message. Okay, close. Ramchandra, this instance is under wake up only, right?
No, sir. Check it once.
You haven't wake up.
Yes.
You have to wake up every day, okay? So if you want to do something. If you are not,
Okay.
you can wake up now. And now I'm trying to do integrate with this instance. Okay, dev 2716, dev 2716 41. Okay, this is instance. So what is the table API format? Tell me. It interviews table. What is the default table API format? API slash now slash table table slash table name incident. Okay, this is the table API format. Authentication, I'm giving basic authentication. Rajendra, you have to follow password standards. Okay, training at the rate of 1 to 3. Tell
Yeah, okay.
71641. Okay, I'm saying admin. Here I'm giving password TRAINING at the rate of 1 to 3. You immediately you can change your instance password to training at the rate of 1 to 3. T capital letter, okay?
Okay.
And I'm also providing HTTP request address. I just copy HTTP request address from here, okay? Here we have both accept. Content type. And then type copy. Application slash JSON format should be I have given all required details and I'm saving it, okay? And whenever we save the REST message, we'll automatically create a default REST HTTP GET method. You can open this. Authentication is inherit from parent and request. Here also I'm providing HTTP request address application/JSON, application/JSON, ACC, accept ACC, accept, content type, copy. Providing content type as well. I don't have anything to keep here, okay? Everything perfect. I'm saving it. Now I'm not executing this get method. Maybe Ramchandra not wake up his instance. And Ramchandra, for tomorrow, while joining the class, you have to wake up your instance every day until integration class is completed, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Don't miss the class because every day I want your Servicenow instance.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Now I'm not executing anything. Tomorrow we'll do that part. You have to change the password to training at the rate of 1 to 3. You can see the preview script usage for the get method. It is, yeah, this is the code we are receiving for this get method. I'm just copying it and pasting it to the notepad. Commented code we don't require it. Remove. And maybe try and catch we will keep in while working with real time. As of now, I'm removing. Okay, it's not mandatory. I'm just copying the printing statements. Okay, copy. This is the get method code. Here already there, right? Why I have copied again? Okay, this is the get method code. In tomorrow class, I will execute this get method and I will execute get method. We'll see all other methods from REST message and SOAP. Okay. So now I'm going to stop class here. First of all, I will take the attendance. There, close. Yes, I'm stopping recording as well. If you have any queries, let me know.